So I've been sensible. I've been to the funeral and quite a lot of drink. And I come up the pub and it was daylight, and now I've got to make my way back to rhyl. So this is me first train. I've got 10 minutes without a drink, and then on the train without a drink. There's no off licenses around here. This is going on again. Right, so it's the no, that was that drunk one. Actually I am. I'm into our Peter's funeral today and I'm really drunk. And I'm doing the last journey home bit. Fortunately, this train now, shut up, is the one that goes to Runcorn, so it's more scenic. Then I got the chest of it back up. Rhyl, I'm really sorry on the face. And look, where's it gone? Packed lunch. So when I get home, it's going to be now. Right, still folks. Well, Mr. Train then. So, hello everybody. Thanks for joining this lovely weekend. I'm going to be half-handed again. Oh, shut up. Right, the video's about, not the video, the phone's about to die now. I've got the train back home. I'm going through the Runcorn, like scenic routine, and I'm seriously pissed. So, thank you for joining me on this weekend. I've still got it. I'm in Liverpool now, and I've got to get off at Chester and get the connection, and then get off at rhyl, and then get home, and then got wake in the morning. Mark, you're getting on a bit. Get on with it. Busty that bit. I might start a sing song. Bye. Actually, it's a double take. Wait for me. Luckily, I've got the train from Liverpool to Chester via Runcorn, which is like a more scenic view, not that stopping at every station. It's quicker, it's much more nicer to look at, so it really matters, does it? Because I'm just buried. And I've got two vegans sitting next to me, talking about world peace and all that. But they've got the phones plugged in to the connectivity thing. So, hello. I love being pissed. Right, bye.
Alright, bye.
So here we go. I'm on the last connection back to rhyl. I hope. Got the off. Not got the wrong train. It's been an interesting day. Good funeral, good send off. And I hope to God I'm on the right train. Oh. Station before. The station lady came up and said, how much you've had to drink? I said, a lot. And we can be. He got up really more when you're on the platform. Please don't, because he'll have to escort you off the station. So, I am really drunk and I just want to go home and go to bed and enjoy what was left of today. So, Peter, Timo, Love you. Take care.